Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Newburgh local and long distance movers near me. If you're moving across a distance that exceeds 50 miles, it's a long distance move. 3 Movers is professional at organizing long distance moves. We work with highly efficient movers that prioritize the safety of your belongings, and our drivers know all the routes and all the regulations guiding the road. We maintain our moving trucks so we experience no breakdowns during the move. Our moving trucks keep your belongings safe throughout the trip. We also have good working relationships with the authorities that oversee a long distance relocation. We've also put insurance coverage in place to cover any liabilities during the move. Our long distance moving services are reasonably priced, and our clients are always satisfied with the results. Local moves cover a distance of less than 50 miles, and due to the short distance, it is more affordable and less complicated than long distance moves. We're familiar with all the minor and major routes in Newburgh, and we also have no issues in getting around. We give you a cost estimate and a time estimate at the beginning of the move and work with them diligently. Our customer service is exceptional, and we charge a budget-friendly fee of $30 to $40 per hour. When you hire our services, you'll get more than your money's worth. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Newburgh moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.